Indo-China border stretching above snowline. Vigilant every moment, even in such hostile circumstances, none can match these brave hearts. 18,000 feet above the sea level. Sub-zero bone-chilling weather conditions, where thin air makes breathing a feat to achieve. Not deterred by conditions and armed with a determination tougher than toughness, these Jawans are redefining valor and steadfastness. From Ladakh to Arunachal, these sentinels of Himalayas are adding new dimension to dedication. This is Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, a living example of valor, steadfastness and commitment. Shaurya, Dridhata, Karmanishta. The inception of Indo-Tibetan Border Police is owed to the Indo-China conflict in 1962. To keep a sharp vigil on the unmanned borders of India and Tibet, ITBP was formed with just 4 battalions. Known as the Frontier Rifles in its early days of formation, the force was restructured in 1978, and after receiving colours in the year 1987, a new chapter was added in the history of ITBP. Today, 60 battalions from ITBP, with over 90,000 brave soldiers, keep an eagle eye on the entire Indo-China border across 5 states covering 3,488 kilometers. Close to the Chinese border in Uttarakhand, the rapidly changing weather is posing an all-new challenge for the braveheart Himveers. They have to leave immediately for patrolling lest the enemies take advantage of the bad weather. It is already evening time. These Jawans have to spend the night there itself. The world might call the lack of oxygen, cold, icy winds coupled with immense darkness and adventure. But it is just another day at work for these ITBP Jawans. Hundreds of miles away, border posts of Ladakh, challenging the courage of soldiers. Least bothered by the snow-covered terrain, the ITBP Jawans never let go of their duties and responsibilities even for a second. Not a moment passes without their eagle eye noticing all the suspicious movement at the border. It is the same case in the deep dark jungles of Arunachal. These apt and able-bodied personnel never lose sight of their commitment and task at hand. The foundation of border security lies in short and long-range patrolling, but the tough topography at the height of 9,000 to 18,700 feet tests the endurance of Himveers. The personnel have to brave glacial roads, make their way through unexplored routes, and travel across rivers with speedy currents. They have to wear the mantle of a mountaineer sometimes and have to be ready to face any challenging situation. Such extreme conditions demand an extremely fit body, an alert mind, and a fearless soul. ITBP Academy Mussoorie excels in training officials and Jawans and hones their physical as well as mental capabilities. The experienced and able trainers know how to transform a normal human being into a competent and skilled braveheart. This academy is known for its aptitude for basic training as well as commando training. On the one hand, personnel are taught how to use the most advanced weaponry. They are also trained thoroughly in the use of explosives and made adept in the same. And on the other hand, they are also taught how to overcome the enemy in the absence of any arms. The mountains are these courageous officers' homes, and they know mountaineering like the back of their hands. Without this inherent capability, taking care of the borders would be an impossible task. Bhanu in the state of Haryana is the place where there is a basic ITBP training center. The foundation of the things to come is laid right here. The passing out parade is a moment of pride for all the trainees and cadets. After attaining expertise in various fields, the Jawans are sent for their respective postings, far, far away at the Indo-China border. Bhanu has excellent trainers for animals too. The dog squad does wonders in taking care of the nation's security. Different trainers from various states also participate in the center at Bhanu. During the training, aspects such as experience, practicality, as well as a long-term vision is included. In case the borders are far away, mules are trained and used for logistics. Training also includes developing skill for ferrying injured to the nearest hospital using animal transport. Near the Indo-China border, the ITBP Himveers are always ready with relief articles and disaster management in case of any natural or man-made disasters. They are trained in NIT SRDR to take adequate and impactful action in such cases. This institute is one of its kind in the nation. Jawans are also trained how to handle chemical, biological and nuclear emergencies in this very institute. In Mahi Danda Jungle Warfare School in Uttarakhand, the Jawans are made aware of the nitty-gritties of jungle warfare. This training has helped them fight Naxals and has also aided them in tackling guerrilla warfare.
Up!
To help the Himveer get acclimatized with the bitter cold and biting winds, there is an institute in Auli in Uttarakhand, the Mountaineering and Ski Institute. The Jawans are trained here to overcome extreme weather conditions. If a situation arises, they are even trained and readied for survival in igloo-like structures. The bravest among the braves are chosen for the Commando Corps. The Commando Course in Kimin, Arunachal Pradesh undergoes an extremely difficult and disciplined training. Their timetable does not have any room for rest. What is unthinkable for a normal human being, a commando accomplishes that with utmost ease. Whether it is overcoming challenging obstacles or hitting a bullseye from any direction, or even triumphing over an enemy barehanded. It is all in a day's work for these commandos. The training they undergo makes them so rough and tough that even fear develops a fear in the face of a commando. Taking care of the borders requires being ready for any kind of uncertainties at any given time. Hence, the Jawans are trained to be agile and aware all the time. Their timetable makes sure they are prepared for anything, anytime. No one is a female or a male at the borders. They are simply bravehearts who are required to be ready all the time. This tenet comes alive at this post in Himachal Pradesh.
मेरा जवाबदारी का इलाका इस प्रकार है श्रीमान। सेक्शन सामने 200 बिजली का पोल, इसी की लाइन दूर तक आम रुक थोड़ा बाएं 150 आखिरी गोली व आखिरी दम तक मोर्चा नहीं छोड़ूंगी श्रीमान। जय हिंद श्रीमान।
A battalion on Himachal was given the orders for a movement in seemingly inadequate time. But here they are, preparing everything at the speed of light. And voila, the battalion is ready before the designated time. Moving towards their destination, this convoy of vehicles is a part of the Jawans' lives because they know they can be called for duty anywhere, be it the border or internal security or any unforeseen circumstance. ITBP keeps upgrading itself when it comes to technique and transport. The vehicles are chosen keeping in mind testing geographical terrains. For the first time ever, advanced SUVs such as Endeavour, Fortuner, Scorpio etc. are being used for border security. Apart from this, snow scooters have also been deployed for snowy areas. It is not an easy task to transport rations and groceries on one of the most arduous borders of the world, where all roads seem to be closed. Animal transport is used to deliver rations to such posts. Using any means of transport, if something needs to be done, it will definitely be done. Himveers do not surrender before any condition or situation. They have what it takes to adjust to the given circumstance. Even for the construction of a basic structure, work is happening at a war footing. An important part of the force is the engineering wing, which excels in the use of traditional and untraditional ways and means to complete a construction. From the battalion to the border outpost, they are present everywhere, trying to ease the lives of the Jawans. This wing is developing an ultra-modern BOP with all kinds of amenities available at Ladakh. There is a sudden firing from the enemy at the post. Reacting in an instant, the Jawans are ready in a bid to foil the attack. In a bid to foil the attack, a Jawan is gravely injured. He needs immediate medical attention. A medical wing which is present with each battalion gets going and starts its work immediately. The Jawans of ITBP may not think twice before giving up their lives for their country, but each life is more than precious for ITBP. The medical wing ensures that whenever the need arises, help is always at hand for the Himveer. Deadlier than the enemy are the weather conditions and other surroundings for the Jawans. That is why there is a high-altitude medical training center in Leh. Apart from specialized training, the Jawans and the personnel are trained in first aid. For better medical treatment, there is a base hospital in Tigri in New Delhi. More recently, a CAPF referral hospital has been constructed. This hospice is a super speciality one. The Women's Regiment in ITBP busts the myth that the art of warfare can only be excelled in by men. On the Indo-China border, there are many posts that are manned by women.
सनबर्न, डिहाइड्रेशन और हाई एल्टीट्यूड की वजह से यहाँ पे सांस का चढ़ना भी होता है।
इन सब कठिनाइयों के बावजूद भी अब तो यहाँ पे गर्ल्स भी आ रही हैं साथ में।
In their bid to empower and enable women, ITBP is leaving no stone unturned and is presenting an example worth talking about. Indo-Tibetan Border Police has also been awarded the Nirbhaya Samman for its exemplary work towards inclusiveness and women empowerment. Even to fight the dreaded Naxalites in the dangerous jungles of Chhattisgarh, the ITBP Jawans were called for. They have made a mark for themselves even in this field with many successful campaigns. Not a part of their daily routine, they have managed to carve a niche and prove to the world that they are second to none in whatever endeavor they undertake. From time to time, ITBP has also lent itself to international security responsibilities. ITBP is responsible for the security of Indian Embassy in Kabul and Indian Consulate in 4 other cities of Afghanistan. Assisting in the peacekeeping missions of the United Nations, ITBP has contributed significantly in Namibia, Cambodia, Mozambique, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Angola, West Sahara, Kosovo, Sierra Leone and Congo. Currently, there is a regiment present in Congo. To train the force personnel as well as personnel from other organizations, there is a UN Civpol Center based in Tigri.
नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा है। अभी तक हमने अराउंड 300 अबव मेडल्स जीत लिए हैं और ट्रॉफीज जीत ली हैं।
It is but a habit for the Himveer to take on challenges and risks. Even in adventure sports and expeditions, there is no one equal to ITBP. After conquering Mount Everest 4 times, a new group has been inspired to touch an all-new height now. They are eyeing Mount Dholagiri now. ITBP has created a record by completing 205 mountain expeditions. Not just that, they have created history by carving a path to Mount Kangto Base Camp in Arunachal. Taking things to another level, they have succeeded twice in the Ganga River rafting. Representing the nation on an international as well as a national level, ITBP has made a name for itself in the game of ice hockey too. The Jawans' perseverance and consistent performance says it all.
पैरामिलिट्री का हम एकमात्र टीम है जो भारत तिब्बत सीमा पुलिस बल का है। इंटरनेशनल इवेंट में हमने पहले बार इंडिया का रिप्रेजेंट किया था। खास इंडियन स्कोरर था हमारे बल का।
To inspire confidence and win the hearts of the local population, ITBP incessantly takes care of its social duties. A lot of programs are organized through the Border Area Development Program and Civic Action Program. These include activities such as medical camps from time to time. providing specialist training to the local citizens and aiding the girls of Arunachal Pradesh in self-defense through the martial art form of Wushu. Created in 1994, the Himveer Wives Welfare Association runs specific programs for the well-being and the betterment of the Jawans' families. Through various activities, it is ensured that the organization takes care of their lives and participates in it. The families should also feel secure and protected at all times. To cater to this, various creative events are continuously organized. Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force redefines Shaurya, Dridhata, Karmanishtha every moment. They inspire us with their patriotism and a life less ordinary. We salute their commitment and courage.